Welcome to MaxViralMarketing.com. In this video, I'll guide you through how to use your members area to get the most from all our marketing tools and features. Ad Announcer. Click on the Ad Announcer link to use our credit-based ad announcement service. You'll earn 5 ad credits for every ad you click, and once you have 25 credits, you can submit one ad announcement visible to all our members for 14 days. As long as your subscription remains active, you'll also receive 50 credits every month. Ad Board. Click on the Ad Board link to submit your ad so it can be viewed by other members of MaxViral Marketing. Banner Ads. Use the Banner Ads link to add or remove your banner ad. Your ad will rotate at the top and bottom of most pages on our website. Business Card Builder. Create your own digital business card using our Business Card Builder tool. Content Calendar. Plan, organize, and schedule your marketing content easily with the Content Calendar. Classified Blaster. Use Classified Blaster to instantly send your ad to multiple classified sites with just one click. If you're using it for the first time, click on the profile link to complete your details, then store your ad copy and click Blast Away to publish. Classified Hosting. Click on Classified Hosting to set up and run your own classified site using our hosting service. Downline Builder. Build your downlines for multiple programs simply by promoting your MaxViral Marketing referral link. Discounted Scripts. Use the Discounted Scripts link to save $20 every month on any script order at yourfreeworldscripts.com. Downloads. Visit the Downloads section to grab your member bonuses. Email Marketing and Tracking Pro members can set up to 10 email tracking campaigns and manage them anytime. This feature is valued at over $47 per year. Forum Marketing. Leverage niche forums and community discussions to build authority, drive traffic, and boost conversions. Graphic Quote Generator. Create beautiful, shareable quote images perfect for social media branding. Hashtag Generator. Find high-performing hashtags to increase your reach and engagement on social media. Influencer Marketing. Discover niche influencers who can authentically promote your brand to targeted audiences. JV Offers. Submit your joint venture offers and view special JV opportunities shared by other pro members. Keyword Generator. Get SEO-friendly keyword ideas to boost your content's visibility. Link Cloaking and Tracking. Free members can set up 10 link cloaking campaigns, while pro members can add unlimited tracking links to manage their marketing. Members Directory. Get a free backlink by adding your site to our directory. Free members can submit one site, while pro members can list up to 5. Meta Tag Generator. Generate SEO-friendly meta tags for your website easily. Native Ads. Publish or run native ads that blend naturally into website. Online Tools. Access handy tools such as DNS lookup, IP lookup, SSL lookup, reverse IP lookup, URL redirect checker, website hosting checker, and more. Let's look into a Tishan website transfiding in MySite Large. Pinging tool. Ping your website to check response time, status, and any error codes. QR Code Generator. Create custom QR codes for marketing, packaging, or promotions. Robots.txt Generator. Easily create a robots.txt file to guide search engine crawlers. Splash Page Builder. Design custom splash pages using our special builder tool. Super Solo Ad Poster. Free members can send their ads to 100 random users. Pro and reseller members can reach 1,000 users with each post. Text Ads. Add or remove your text ads and have them rotate across every page of our website. Traffic Exchanger. Promote your website by earning credits for visiting other members' sites, and use those credits to drive traffic to your own. URL Rotator and Ad Tracker. Follow the simple instructions to rotate multiple URLs and track your ad performance. Voice Search Optimization Tool. Optimize your content for voice search and reach users through smart assistants and mobile devices. Website Optimization Tool. Analyze your website's performance score, speed index, and other key metrics. XML sitemaps. Generate SEO-friendly XML sitemaps to help search engines index your website faster and more effectively. YouTube marketing tools. Access our YouTube Analytics tool to track video performance and audience insights, and the YouTube Video SEO tool to optimize tags, titles, and descriptions for better visibility in YouTube search. ZMOT analysis tool. Understand the zero moment of truth for your customers to better align your digital marketing strategy. Finally, if you'd like to share your experience, don't forget to submit your testimonial. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helps you get the most from your MaxViralMarketing.com membership. If you want, I can also provide shorter, simpler, or more formal versions. Just let me know.